Removing background noise in DaVinci Resolve is super simple. Now, I'm going to show how you can do it. In my timeline, I have an audio with city noise in the background. And to its right, I have another audio with music in the background. Let's listen to the examples.
Hello, this is a message for the editor. Please remove all background noise. I won't tell you again. Hello, this is a message for the editor. I have seen that you have not removed the background music. You are fired.
The noise and music are very loud. Will DaVinci Resolve be able to eliminate them? The answer is yes, and you can remove them with just one click. The first thing we have to do is select the audio clip in the timeline, and then go to the Inspector panel located in the upper right. Very well. As we can see, we are in the audio section. Here, we must go to the function called Voice Isolation. To activate this function, we just have to click on this circle. If the circle appears in red, it means that it's activated. The default amount of voice isolation is 100%. I recommend lowering it a bit, since when applying voice isolation with an intensity of 100%, many times the voice can be distorted or present other errors. Let's try lowering the amount to 80%. Perfect. Now, we do exactly the same with the other audio clip. Select the clip in the timeline and activate the voice isolation function. In this audio, I am also going to lower the amount to 80%. Great. We already have the effect applied to both audios. Let's see how it turned out.
Hello, this is a message for the editor. Please remove all background noise. I won't tell you again. Hello, this is a message for the editor. I have seen that you have not removed the background music. You are fired.
We see that the noise and music have decreased a lot. In the event that you want to eliminate them completely, you just have to increase the intensity to 100%. But, as I told you before, depending on the audio you have, doing this can distort the voice.
Hello, this is a message for the editor. I have seen that you have not removed the background music. You are fired.
It's amazing. I think this feature is going to save us a lot of work. As always, here you have the free DaVinci Resolve course, so you can learn a lot of new things. See you in the next video.